Viewers, today I will discuss PLAB guideline for Bangladeshi and Indian. What is PLAB? The PLAB means Professional and Linguistic Assessment Board Test. Do you need to take the PLAB test? If you completed your graduation from a medical school or medical college outside of the United Kingdom, European Economy Area or Switzerland, you will probably need to take the PLAB test. The PLAB test will check that you know and you can do the same as physician beginning the second year of the foundation program training in the United Kingdom. What are the requirements for the PLAB test? IELTS. IELTS score 7.5 at least 7. Postgraduate training or clinical experience at least 12 months in teaching hospital. What is the passing score for PLAB 1? It is around 120 to 126 marks. The most important thing of PLAB exam is time utilization. Regarding the time management, the PLAB 1 composed of 200 single based answer question. What does the PLAB test involve? There are two parts to the PLAB test. PLAB part 1 is a written MCQ multiple choice exam with 180 single based answer question. PLAB Part 2 is a practical objective structured clinical exam which are known as OSCE exam. You will need to pass both part of exam before you can apply for registration with a license for practicing medicine in the United Kingdom. What do you need before you can take PLAB test? Before you can participate the PLAB test, all will need to make up a GMC online account and show your medical qualification, skill, knowledge of English, which are acceptable. When you have done that, you can book your place on PLAB Part 1 of the PLAB test. PLAB Part 1. PLAB 1 test is a written MCQ made up of 180 MCQ multiple choice questions which you must answer within 180 minutes or 3 hours. Each question starts with a short scenario followed by MCQ question. You need to choose the right and best answer out of the 5 possible answers given. Participant can sit part 1 in number of countries outside UK as well as in the UK. Have a look at the available location and date when participants log in to their GMC online. PLAB Blueprint. GMC have created a guideline for PLAB 1 preparation so you can download. You can download from doctorsgang.com website. Please see the description box for this article. What is the best book for PLAB 1 test? Best book for PLAB 1 studying are firstly Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine, Oxford Handbook of Clinical Specialties, Davidson Principle and Practice of Medicine, Samson Note for PLAB 1 test, ECG book for PLAB 1 and PLAB 2 PDF, PLAB test topics, note for PLAB test, unsolved question 1700, Dr. Khalid 1700 question, and more some PDF and note available in this article. Please see description box for get this article or search PLAB guide Doctors Gang in Google. Now discuss about PLAB Part 2. PLAB 2 test is an objective and structured clinical exam. It is made up of 18 scenarios, each lasting 8 or 8 minutes and aim to reflect clinical eye setting including a mock consultation and acute ward. PLAB 2 tests run throughout the year at their clinical assessment center. Best group for PLAB test. Dr. Khalid PLAB 1 discussion Facebook group, PLAB Part 1 preparation forum group, PLAB forum and effort to get GMC registration. Dr. Khalid PLAB discussion Facebook group. This group is very helpful to PLAB preparation. PLAB Part 1 preparation forum. This group is very helpful. You can follow that group. PLAB preparation subject list. The PLAB exam is mostly oriented with the clinical skill and knowledge of the student and the subject that involve assessing clinical skill. PLAB 1 exam just clinical skill, not basic science. The subject that the PLAB test is focused around are given below: clinical medicine, clinical surgery, pediatrics, ENT, ophthalmology, gynecology and obstetrics, pathology, and behavioral science and psychiatry ethics. What happen after you have passed PLAB 1, PLAB 2? Once you have passed PLAB 1 and PLAB 2 part, you can apply for registration with a license to practice medicine in the UK. Your application cannot but be approved within 2 years of passing PLAB 2 of the test. Once GMC UK approve your application and you gain GMC registration, you can work as a physician in the United Kingdom. Where can we take PLAB 1? GMC Council run the PLAB exam 4 times a year in the United Kingdom and a number of overseas locations. To see the location of exam center and whether place are available, you will receive to register for GMC online account and look under the My Test section. All exam test places are limited and in high demand. They carefully check demand to ensure the availability is evenly and fairly spread throughout the year. When can you take the exam outside the United Kingdom? GMC Center run the exam 4 times a year in the United Kingdom and in a number of overseas locations. The overseas UK exam center are hosted for participant by the British Council and are listed below along with the contact details. Once you have booked online registration, please only contact the relevant British Council office such as Bangladesh. If you have not received detail of the venue 14 days before the exam, contact details for overseas venue for PLAB 1. Bangladesh, Dhaka. fahmida.khanam@bd.britishcouncil.org. Phone number +880028618905. India, Mumbai. Mumbai.exam@in.britishcouncil.org +912267486748. India have another venue, New Delhi and Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. PLAB exam in Bangladesh. Bangladesh have only PLAB 1 exam center, but PLAB 2 center only in UK. PLAB 1 exam center in Bangladesh, venue Dhaka. PLAB 1 test date. Please see the description box for this article. This article update as soon as possible. PLAB cost in Bangladesh. PLAB 1 fee 230 euro, PLAB 2 fee 840 euro. Beside this has coaching fee, resident fee, visa, passport and GMC registration. Subtotal PLAB cost 6 to 8 lakh taka for Bangladeshi students. PLAB cost in India. PLAB 1 fee 230 euro, PLAB 2 fee 840 euro. For GMC registration fee 425 euro. Beside this as coaching fee, resident fee, visa, passport and GMC registration. Subtotal PLAB cost 3 to 7 lakh in Indian rupee. PLAB accepted country. Which country recognize PLAB? PLAB is accepted country: Australia, New Zealand, Qatar, Saudi Arab, Dubai, Oman, Kuwait, many other. Is MBBS degree valid in UK from Bangladesh? Yes, MBBS degree valid in UK. Paper may be need before internship finish, MBBS certification need and academic transcript need. Paper need after your internship is completed. Internship completion certificate from your training institute or hospital, BMDC for registration certificate. Paper need to obtain after passing PLAB 1. Certificate from BMDC of good standing, letter from BMDC completing internship, police verification certificate. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and see description box and visit our website for details. Thank you viewers.